Avinash is a very talented, budding filmmaker. Yesterday his film was screened. He started filmmaking in very young age. In fact, his school-going age at the age of 16. He's a graduate from FTII Pune, and in fact he has the privilege that his entry was Allah was
Allah is great.
Allah is a Great was the official entry from India in the Oscar in the student section, and I'll request him to make a statement and brief the media about his film. And
अच्छा statement है.
you want to?
No, means actually, yeah, means I always wanted to make a film, and this film is very personal to me because it's based on my certain childhood experiences. Yeah, hello.
This is working?
Is it working?
Yeah,
This is working definitely. You can take this.
This one's not working.
So please take this.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So yes, means I had this film in my mind like from last 6 to 8 years now, because I was born in Solapur in southern Maharashtra, which is a very barren landscape actually. And because of my father's service and continuous transfers, I used to land up in different situations and conditions. And once as a child, like when I was 3-4 years old, we landed in Konkan. And Konkan was so unique for me, so different for me, because a person who's come from like a barren landscape suddenly landed in a very different atmosphere. It's a very like and my responses towards nature and like whatever I sensed, like that was so unique in like even in that tender age, the impression was so strong on my mind. So later on in my life, I used to think like, why those imagery and that soundscape or people or culture or those ferocious children, why that imagery and experiences are so strong on my mind? What impact it had made on me in my tender age. So I was like, through that question, the concept of the film like arise in my mind, like I decided to make it, like convert it into a feature film. I wanted to transform that experience.
I have been to IFFI for many of my films, and it's great to come here for Killa. Killa was like, we shot it in Guhagar, and it was altogether, for me also, it was a very spiritual and divine experience to shoot for Killa. It was Avinash's first film, but he was he knew what he was doing. And as I saw film, like I'm seeing the film for many times, like I saw it for 4th time yesterday, I realized that, you know, this is a very, what we call in Marathi, nirmal. Like there is no, whatever he wanted to do, he has done it, and he has stood by whatever he wanted to do. And I think in Marathi industry right now, it's a very fantastic period that, you know, people have their own content like Avinash, and they are standing by it. They are not compromising on anything, and they are saying, yes, this is my content and I want to present it in such and such manner. And that is that you see in Killa. So it was great to be a part of this film. And you know, today the children are not here because children are heroes of this film, because all of them, Archit has played the main, the protagonist of, he's the protagonist of the film, and all of them, they have done such great job, and to work with them in Guhagar was, those were the best days of my life. So I'm really missing all of them right now, and all of you who have seen the film know what a great job they have done. Charushri is also here, who has edited the film. So our whole team was really enthusiastic about this whole project. About Avinash, you know, it is really, it's like a film, you know. He's like, he came in my life for a film called Badha, which was also in IFFI, I think, and it was directed by Sumitra Bhave and Sunil Suktankar. And Avinash was in production team at that time, and I don't remember that. So when he met me for Killa, he was like, "Do you remember me?" I said no. So he has almost done everything regarding filmmaking is concerned. He has started from production, and now he's a great cinematographer. We all, like those who have seen the film, know that. And now he has written this film, and now he is director also. So it is great to see his journey. Now when I look back, now I remember, okay, there was this guy, he was there. So it has been very, it has been very, what do you say, it has been great to see his journey like that, and it has been great to work with him.
So please, if you have something in mind, please ask from the.
And yes, yes, I would like to add that I'm very thankful that this film is backed by Z and Esther Vision. Nikhil is on his way; he's reaching shortly. But then, like हम मराठी में बोलते हैं कि लड़की अच्छे घर में जाए, उसको अच्छा ससुराल मिले, so अच्छी चीजें उसके साथ होती है. So we are happy that हमारी संतान को अच्छा ससुराल मिला है. So we are thankful to of course Z and Esther Vision that फ्रॉम फैंड्री एक अलग अलग तरीके की फिल्में मतलब लोगों तक पहुंचाने का भी जरिया है जो जी और एसएल विजन हमारे साथ है. सो वी आर वेरी 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 हैप्पी दैट द फिल्म विल बी distributed so well because that is also equally important in today's times. We all know that the film is good, the content is amazing, and it has won awards in yesterday or 2 days before it won its 6th award. By the way, let me share this good news with you that in New York South Asian Film Festival, right, it won special jury.
Yeah, it's a jury
And
prize.
and I felt really enthusiastic because I saw this film for the first time in Berlin. So all the people from all the languages are, they are film has no language, and films like Killa have showed me that oh, Nikhil is here. Yes, I was just talking about SL Vision, and he's here, so I think I'll pass on the mic to him.
Welcome, Nikhil. He's the producer of the Killa. He's also with us. Nikhil, would you like to add something about? They have already many things.
Very sorry, there's some issue with the car, so it took some time to come. Last year we had a film called Fandry, and it made a huge amount of critical reviews and the response, and it all started from IFFI. So I hope that this is the platform, because the film has been received exceptionally well. There is I don't know, it's a rumor that there is going to be one more screening of Killa, or there is a demand, I think, for it. So we hope that we'll be able to make a great mark in the coming few days. We are likely to release the film in the month of Feb, which is will complete the festival circle, at least the Indian festival circle. And yeah, that's about it.
Yes.
Please ask the question if you have any, please. Yeah, please.
Avinash, since you mentioned it's sort of partly autobiographical, is your mother also like what the
No. It's let me tell you, like, I share a very different relationship with my mother. Like, they're always like she's from one small village, and she still doesn't know what I really do, what my job is. So but in the film it's not like that, and my father is still there, and but to add up that dramatic, like those, because film की जान बहुत छोटी है, बहुत टेंडर है, like बहुत सॉफ्ट है वो, तो उतना ही मतलब, और कोई ड्रामा नहीं है कैडेड, तो वो मुझे रखना नहीं था. सो वॉट एवर, लाइक बहुत एक इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप जिस तरह से होते हैं इंसानों के बीच में, सो दैट वाज माय अटेम्प्ट टू लाइक वहीं तक रखे उसको, और ज़्यादा ड्रामा बिल्डअप ना करें. तो
But I like your question because many people after watching the film said that मुझे लगा कि मैं चिन्मय हूँ, और मुझे कई लोगों ने बोला मुझे लगा मैंने मेरी माँ को आप में देखा. So everybody, yesterday also somebody said कि मेरे हार्ट बीट्स चिन्मय के साथ जुड़ गए थे, ऐसे किसी ऑडियंस ने बोला. So I think कि ये टीम का और दिस फिल्म का ये है कि you felt like that.
Please.
Gist of the film, I like whenever I used to get transferred from one place to another, like in that short medium period of time, I used to make so many beautiful relations with all these children, like places, people, and whenever I used to move from that place, I used to think like कि मैं इन लोगों को, इन मेरे दोस्तों को जिनके साथ मैंने इतना सब कुछ देखा है, फील किया है, एक्सपीरियंसेस मैंने देखे हैं, उनको मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं दोबारा मिल पाऊँगा. तो वो जो एक ख्याल मुझे जो झंझोर के रख देता था, तो उसको बाहर लाना, वो नॉस्टैल्जिया को बाहर लाना, ये फिल्म का जिस्ट है।
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट आर्टिस्टिकली मेड फिल्म। You know, Marathi always has a tradition that we make a lot of wonderful social films. We make a lot of love stories and commercial cinema. And there is a history of biopics which has been made in Marathi, like Lokmanya is here, or Paresh's first film, which was on Dadasaheb Phalke. But cinematically, I think in last so many years, this is one of the finest film that has come, and that has come from Marathi. So I think, in a way, it's a very inspiring moment for a lot of young filmmakers, and I'm sure even audience will like this.